What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video, and today we have a product from DIGDY. As you guys can see, we have here DIGDY D10 true wireless earbuds. Now you can pick up these earbuds from Amazon for around $54, and I believe also they have a 10% off coupon, so maybe you can check out the link in the video's description. Now what do you get for $54? So basically these earbuds comes with active noise cancelling, IPX8, so sweatproof and waterproof, and you also get wireless charging. Now I've been testing these earbuds for almost a week right now, and I was really impressed. Let's jump in and show you guys what these earbuds comes with. Come on, open. There's the tab right here. All right, as you guys can see, after you do the unboxing, and in this package right here we have a quick operation guide right here. You guys can see these earbuds does come with 2-year warranty. User manual right here, and let me show you guys the earbuds. So here you guys can see the case, really nice, flat black. I personally like flat black case. I don't like shiny case and really slippery case. So this case is not slippery at all, okay? And you guys can see right in front of the charging case, you have DIGDY brand name here, and then the bottom of the case you will see like the LED indicator, the charging LED indicator here, okay? And you also have USB type C port right here for charging this case, and then a reset button. That's about it. Okay, pretty cool. And the case is not all that big, as you guys can see, not all that big. Now let me take these earbuds out. Okay, so these earbuds are also flat black. Hopefully you guys can see here, also flat black. So basically on the earbuds you have the DIGDY brand name, and then the DIGDY logo. Then there is a LED indicator blinking right now, okay? And also I believe how many mic here? 1, 2, 3, like 3 or 4 mics. Yep. Now these earbuds does come with pre-installed ear tips. Normally comes with like medium size ear tips, but I have small ear tips, you guys can see here, because my ears are not all that big, and the fitment is pretty good also. So let me just show you guys real quick. As you guys can see, fitment is not bad at all. Okay, and let's see what else we have inside this box. In this box, most likely we have USB type C charging cable, as you guys can see here, and we have some ear tips. So let me take this cable out. So it does come with a nice flat USB type C to type A cable right here. 2 more ear tips here. So we have a medium size and a large size one, and currently the small one already installed here, you guys can see. Let me show you guys how gestures work, like the touch gestures. So first let's start with how to turn on the ANC mode, so active noise cancelling. So basically you can turn on the active noise cancelling by just holding the right earbud, just hold it for like 2 seconds, and the active noise cancelling will turn on. But you can actually turn off active noise cancelling, okay? If you hold it for 2 seconds again, it will change from ANC mode to transparency mode, Okay, now you guys might be thinking, what is transparency mode? So if you're hearing music right now and you also want to hear what's going on, okay, like around you, you can actually turn on the transparency mode. And if you don't want to hear what's going on, like around and whatever around you, then just hold it for 2 seconds again and turn on the ANC mode. So if you tap on the right earbud like one time, then volume will go up, and then if you tap on the left ear but like one time, the volume will go down. And then if you tap on the right earbud 3 times, fast forward to the next track, and if you tap on the left earbud 3 times, basically it will reverse back to the last track. And then if you double tap on the right or the left earbud, basically it will pause the music or the video you're watching. Now for more detail, guys, you can actually read the user operation guide right here. Really simple. Now with the full charge, you can use these earbuds with the ANC on for like 8 hours, and with the ANC off you can use for like 10 hours. Now with the case included, okay, if you fully charge the case and you fully charge the earbuds, you can actually get like, I believe 32 hours with the ANC on and around 40 hours with the ANC off. That's with the case and the earbuds fully charged combined. Alright guys, so now let me show you guys how to pair these earbuds to your smartphone. So I have here Google Pixel 4a here. So basically I'll just go to Bluetooth setting and then pair new device. So simply just open this charging case lid and just tap on pair new device, and as you guys can see here, all right, and we have here a DIGDY D10 right here. All right, and then just tap on pair, and simple as that. You guys can see we are already paired and connected. So I can just pull these earbuds out. And I can also see the battery percentage for the earbuds here. Hopefully you guys can see right here. These earbuds sound really good. Like the bass, the mid, the travel sounds really nice. The active noise cancelling works well, but not like perfect, but it's good enough. The only thing I really didn't like about these earbuds, but I still think these are good enough, these are not all that loud. Okay, so that's like the only con. Alright guys, let me know what you guys think. I just wanted to make this quick video because these earbud was just laying around in my studio for a while, and I kind of felt bad because I like to review everything I receive. So let me know what you guys think. Okay, that should be it. See you guys next one.